look at better weapons for protection. The Chinese were the first to invent gunpowder. The Indians improved the quality of the powder and invented better weapons, including the cannon. The European explorers learned about these inventions and carried guns and cannons on board. These weapons helped them conquer people and take over new territories that they came to. The magnetic compass. Sailors needed instruments to help them to find their way. At first, all sailors navigated by sailing along the coast in sight of land. Portuguese sailors learned how to use the position of the sun and stars to work out where they were. During the Renaissance period, and sailors began to use magnetic compasses, which came to them from China. No matter where you stand on Earth, you can hold a compass in your hand and it will point towards Earth's magnetic north. Now wizards, let's look at the quadrant. The quadrant helped sailors to divide maps into 4 sections. In this way, they determined the correct direction to sail. With this information, the sailors could work out how far north or south of the equator they were. They could only use the quadrants using and during the day. Better ships, the caravel. Wizards, sailors needed strong ships and movable sails. Europeans learned about movable sails at the beginning of the 1400s. Sails that could move to catch the wind at different angles made it possible for ships to sail against the wind. The Santa Maria was a Spanish ship that was built this way. This is a very famous ship because it was used by Christopher Columbus. Spreading the Christian religion. The Catholic Church wanted the world to belong to one universal faith. For hundreds of years, the rulers of Spain and Portugal had been fighting to prevent the Muslim faith from spreading in their countries. Parts of Spain had been under Muslim control. The explorers from Spain and Portugal were therefore determined to convert people in the new countries they found to Christian faith. Missionaries went with the explorers as they set sails to find new lands.